Your GPT integration for Make? Now connect your AI agent to the tools you already work in. That opens the door to thousands of apps: Slack, HubSpot, Notion, Gmail, Shopify, and so many more. Build it visually, no code. Drop in your GPT, wire it to a trigger, and choose your actions. Your agent goes live in minutes. And your GPT fits anywhere in your flow. Make it the trigger that starts a scenario or an action that runs inside one. Wherever the work happens, your agent is right there. Picture it. A customer sends a message. Can I upgrade to Pro? So one message sets everything in motion, your CRM updates, your sheet fills, and the right people get notified automatically. And it doesn't stop at one. Message after message, day and night, your agent keeps every tool in sync: new orders, new leads, support tickets, all handled without anyone lifting a finger. Integrate your GPT with Make.